Imagine a floor that tells a story, one that whispers the echoes of ancient traditions and embraces the warmth of a sunlit heritage. Saltillo tile, a living testament to the hands that mold it and the land that breathes life into it. It is more than a flooring choice, it's a journey into the soul of design. In the world of interior design, where trends evolve and preferences shift, Saltillo tile stands as a timeless testament to the enduring beauty of artisanal craftsmanship. Originating from the sun-drenched landscapes of Saltillo, Mexico, this terracotta treasure has woven its cultural legacy into homes worldwide. Join us on a journey as we explore the captivating history, delve into the intricate craftsmanship, and unravel the contemporary trends that make Saltillo tile a beloved choice for those seeking both tradition and modernity in their living spaces. The story of Saltillo tile unfolds in the 16th century, echoing the footsteps of Spanish settlers in Mexico who discovered the art of transforming local clay into exquisite tiles. Named after the city of Saltillo in Coahuila, these tiles were initially shaped by hand and left to bask in the Mexican sun. Embracing imperfections that would become the hallmark of their rustic charm. The crafting process involves a dance with nature. Local artisans extract clay from the region, combining it with water to mold the tiles into shape. Once formed, the tiles are left to dry under the open sky, absorbing the warmth of the sun and bearing the imprints of the natural elements. Firing in kilns follows, ensuring the tiles gain strength and durability. The final touch involves sealing the tiles, safeguarding them against stains and wear while preserving their vibrant hues. Craftsmanship and production. What sets Saltillo tile apart is the commitment to artisanal craftsmanship. The imperfections, the irregularities, and the slight color variations are not flaws but rather a testament to the human touch that defines each tile. This unique approach to production creates a product that transcends the uniformity of mass-produced alternatives. The tactile nature of Saltillo tile, with its warm, earthy tones and handcrafted appeal. It is an homage to the centuries-old traditions that birthed it. The process is a labor of love, one that pays homage to the cultural heritage and artistic expression of the Mexican people. Cultural significance. Saltillo tile is more than just a flooring choice, it is a piece of Mexican culture that finds expression in homes across the globe. The warm, earthy tones and intricate patterns of the tiles resonate with the vibrant aesthetics of Mexican architecture. Its presence is a nod to authenticity and tradition, whether it's found in the heart of a bustling city or adorning a hacienda in the countryside. The tiles often feature geometric patterns and designs inspired by indigenous art, bringing a touch of history into contemporary spaces. Beyond its visual appeal, Saltillo tile encapsulates a spirit, an essence of the Mexican way of life. Where the beauty lies in the imperfections and the connection to the land. Contemporary trends. While rooted in tradition, Saltillo tile has gracefully transitioned into modern design landscapes, finding its place in contemporary homes and commercial spaces. Let's explore some of the trends that showcase the versatility and enduring allure of Saltillo tile. 1. Eclectic kitchens. In contemporary kitchens, Saltillo tiles are emerging as a distinctive flooring choice. Their warm hues complement a variety of kitchen styles, from rustic farmhouse to sleek modern. Paired with open shelving, stainless steel appliances, and natural wood accents, Saltillo tiles add character and warmth to the heart of the home. 2. Inviting living rooms. Homeowners are embracing Saltillo tiles in living spaces to create an inviting ambiance. The tile's earthy tones provide a neutral canvas for diverse interior design styles. When combined with plush furnishings, textured throws, and abundant natural light, Saltillo tiles contribute to a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. 3. Charming outdoor spaces. The transition from indoor to outdoor living is seamless with Saltillo tiles gracing patios and garden spaces. Their ability to withstand varying weather conditions makes them an ideal choice for creating cohesive indoor-outdoor environments. Paired with comfortable outdoor furniture, lush greenery, and soft lighting, Saltillo tiles elevate outdoor spaces into charming retreats. 4. Artistic accent walls. Designers are increasingly incorporating Saltillo tiles into accent walls, turning them into visual masterpieces. Whether in bedrooms, bathrooms, or living areas, these tiles add depth and character to spaces. The diverse patterns and textures of Saltillo tiles open up endless creative possibilities, allowing for unique and personalized design statements. Five. Mosaic Magic. Another growing trend involves using Saltillo tiles to create intricate mosaic patterns. Whether as kitchen backsplashes, bathroom accents, or entryway focal points, mosaic arrangements of Saltillo tiles add an artistic flair to spaces. The combination of different shapes and colors allows for a personalized touch that speaks to individual style. Six. Maintenance tips and longevity. While Saltillo tile brings unparalleled beauty, it does require proper care to maintain its luster over time. Regular sweeping and damp mopping are essential to prevent dust and dirt from accumulating. Additionally, applying a quality sealer every few years helps protect the tiles from stains and wear, ensuring their longevity. Saltillo tile, with its origins steeped in history and its craftsmanship rooted in tradition, has transcended its utilitarian purpose to become a symbol of enduring beauty. As it gracefully weaves into contemporary design trends, Saltillo tile remains a testament to the timeless allure of artisanal craftsmanship and the indelible connection between culture and design. Whether in kitchens, living rooms, outdoor spaces, or as artistic accents, Saltillo tile stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of the old and the new. Inviting us to appreciate the beauty in imperfection and the stories embedded in every tile. If the story of Saltillo tile has captured your design-loving heart, here's how you can be part of our creative community. Like, show some love if the beauty of Saltillo tile struck a chord with you. Your likes inspire us. Comment, share your thoughts or experiences with Saltillo tile. We're eager to hear your unique perspectives. Subscribe, dive deeper into the world of design with us. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more inspiring content. Thanks for joining us on this design adventure. Your support means the world.